being that I produce video, I got to go get pretty pictures and, get scenery and stuff to, B-roll to put into the video. And the big thing that was kind of the theme for the weekend was how many alligators we saw sunbathing out on beaches and just kind of laying up on logs and trying to get warm because it was typically 10 degrees colder than what they're used to because it's October. So I think the final tally was something like 22 alligators that we saw. And I went up, I said, hey, I'm way ahead of Greg. Greg's coming. I want to take some video panning some cypress knobs. They're real pretty, the beautiful formations. It's really neat. It's just a piece of nature that you just don't see anywhere else out in the country. So I started idling up, just getting, I had a big long 3-foot camera stick, selfie stick. I was getting the GoPro up to the cypress knobs and the cypress trees and all the Spanish moss and everything. And all of a sudden the ski goes whoomp, whoomp. I mean, really smooth. I mean, it wasn't like grinding or anything like that. Just went boom, boom. And then the pump went, and I'm like, okay, killed the throttle. And just literally came up on an underwater log. I'm like, I'm totally high centered on this damn log. I'm like, holy crap. No scraping, nothing like that. Well, I started looking around for somewhere that I could put my foot to push myself off. And I'm far enough away from everything else, I can't push myself off of something. Because normally you go, okay. And I looked down and it's black as night because that water is so iron red and so dark. I'm like, well, there's alligator turtles here. There's there's some mean stuff in that water. I don't think I really want to go in and try to push the ski off. So I'm like, all right, I guess I'm going to try to rock it off. So I'm sitting there trying to rock the ski off. And I don't know what it was about it, but I could not get the damn ski to budge. So here comes Greg on the Cowie. And he's like, what's going on? And I'm like, dude, I'm high centered. He goes, what? I'm like, I'm totally on top of a log. And he's like, I don't see it. I'm like, I don't see it either. He's like, he looks around. He comes, his girlfriend's looking. He's like, okay, let me get a rope out. So I just throw it to me and give me a tug. And I know I went on there so smooth. Just give me a tug and it'll pull me right off. He goes, okay. So he throws me the rope. I hold on the rope. And here's the problem with the Cowie. And we noticed this a few times, was transitioning from reverse, neutral, forward, and back and forth through all the gears is nowhere as smooth as Yamaha or Sea-Doo. It's just not. Because if you want to go to forward, you have to goose it, and it goes, whoa, and it pulls. You see where this is going. So he throws me the rope. I'm hanging on to it. And I'm like, okay, go. And he just wants to put it in forward. And he hits it, and it goes zzz, right through my hands. I'm like, it just burns my hands. I'm like, ah! So anyway, he's like, you okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm all right. I just smooth it out a bit easier. I'm trying. So he gives me the rope again, and I really wrap it around. I pull it through my, wrap it around my arm, and I'm like, all right, go for it. And I put my feet up, and it just goes whoomp, whoomp, just smooth. I mean, honestly, like it was the bunks of a trailer. Just went boom, boom, and pulled me in. I'm like, okay, that's it. Thanks, bro. Got me off. So, yeah, I'm as guilty as anyone when it comes to stupid things like that. So that was me being dumb. And hey, guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.